Welcome to the online catalog. You got here either by clicking the link on our library website or the button that is on our school homepage. Now this online catalog page is very busy with a lot of information, but the important area is this red ribbon that's going across the top of the screen. So let's take a look at that from left to right. The first little white house will always bring you back here to this home screen. The first white box is pre-filled with our Hayworth High School library location. If you want to search the elementary library, or even all the Central Illinois libraries, this is where you would make that change. The second white box defaults to all fields, but if you want to limit your search to a particular title, author, or subject, this is where you would make that change. A limited search is useful because it will often return fewer and more accurate results. The third white box is where you would type in the name of the title, author, or subject that you're looking for. This database is pretty strict, so you need to be careful to watch your spelling. If you don't know how to spell something, particularly a name, make sure you Google it first to get the correct spelling. The fourth white box is the button that activates your search. The Advanced Search link opens a screen that will allow you to fill in additional information to filter your search. Let's try a sample search. Let's say we want to find the book The Hunger Games. Make sure that the library is set to high school. Change all fields to title and type in the name Hunger Games and click search. We found 6 results. The first one does look like our book, but I'm going to scroll down and take a look at what some of the other results were. The second and third results are books about the Hunger Games book. The fourth and fifth results are sequels to the Hunger Games book. And the sixth book is a book of essays that has an essay about the Hunger Games in it. So yes, indeed, we do want that first book. You see there the book cover, the title, the call number, and other information. The one misleading thing that you're seeing is the call number. That call number is not our Hayworth call number. To get the Hayworth call number, you must click on the title link. A more complete description of the book opens up. But this still is not our call number. To make sure you have our call number, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and that's where you'll see that we own 3 copies of the book. All 3 of the copies have the call number FIC, C-O-L, and they are located in Action Adventure. Jot down that number and the location. When you get to the library, you will find the Action Adventure shelves, and you'll see that the spine labels have the call numbers in alphabetical order, so you'll look for the letter C. Let's return to the home screen by clicking on the little white house, and let's try another search. Someone recently recommended a book to me about games by Tristan Donovan. I'm not sure of the title, so I'm going to search by author. And the name was Tristan Donovan. Again, that call number may not be our Hayworth call number, so I am going to scroll to the bottom of the page, since it only did bring me back one title. It's quite a long description. And that call number was correct. It is 794 DON. The status shows that it's in the nonfiction section. So when I get to the library shelves, I will find the nonfiction books, and they are in number order, so I'll just browse until I get to the 700s, then I'll look for 794. Alright, let's try a search where we initiate an interlibrary loan. So in other words, it's a book that Hayworth does not have in our school library. We're going to borrow it from a different library. There's a new book on the market right now called Rebound. It's by Kwame Alexander. It's pretty popular. It's about basketball. And I get a message in the Hayworth Library that this search returned no results. So we know we don't have it. So now I'm going to change my library over here in the first box to all. And I'm going to search again. I got 36 different books that match that description, so I'm going to scroll down until I find the one by Kwame Alexander. And there it is. It's number 3, the orange book called Rebound. I'm going to go over to the right-hand side where there are 3 buttons, and I'm going to choose that first one that says Place Hold. A new box will pop up. That box is asking for my library card number. All of our card numbers start with D8980. You'll type in your card number and then you'll put in your PIN. The default PIN password is 1234 until you change it. Okay, so it says I am allowed to place this hold. I do want to leave Hayworth CUSD High School as my pickup library. And I'm going to click the blue Place Hold button. And I got a message that says my hold is successful, so I'll be receiving that book. Ms. Harris receives interlibrary loan deliveries on Tuesdays and Fridays, and it usually takes a few days for a book to arrive, but she will notify you when it gets here. In fact, she might even deliver it straight to you. Okay. Returning to the home screen, let's just review a few more features that are on this page. Up in the top right, you can see that that's where I can log in or log out. I can make changes in my account. I can make lists. If I speak a different language, I can select the language. In the middle of the page, you'll see a scrolling carousel of pictures. Those are usually the newest books that we've just added to the library. Down below that, there's always new information about new services that are available. Right now, it's featuring information on how to sign up for mobile text notifications. In the left-hand column, you'll see some site navigation, as well as links to a couple of apps. The BookMine app will let you search the catalog from your phone or other mobile device, and the Access 360 app is the app that you will need if you want to read our ebooks. So that's pretty much our library catalog. If you have any questions or you need further help, please stop by the library and talk to Ms. Harris or Library Clerk Mrs. Brannick. Thanks very much. I look forward to seeing you in the library.